And welcome to my vlog. And it's Project Ford, but it's also under Project Explorer. My wife said that the AC wasn't as cold as she would like it, so I put some Cool It in last night, 2 cans, and it got cooler, but it's not completely as cool as we'd like it. Babe, hold on, will you? And I'm gonna check it. Let me get my glasses. So you can use any charging system. This is the Easy Chill with leak sealer. The only thing is, it does require an adapter, and that's what I got for it, because it's got like a push-in like you'd have in a paint can. So we're gonna charge it real quick. Okay, what you want to do is make sure you got the AC on. Okay. Now, as you can see, the compressor is on. Compressor is on, kicking off, kicking on, which is what it should be doing. Now, your service port for that is right here, coming out of your suction side of the dryer. Adapter system here. Hopefully that works. Because normally you'd have one that would just puncture it. That one just punctures. You got the other kind, it just punctures the can. You're good to go. This one here is not a puncture type. It's actually got an adapter. Now the other stuff we put in had stop leak added to it. I think you're going to have to put this on first. Okay, I heard it go. Alright, we're going to squeeze this thing here, slide it right over the top of that. You don't have to worry, you got two. You got one right here, and you got the other one over here. You don't have to worry about it because this will only fit on the service low side. So, go again. Okay, squeeze that. Reach down there. Push it on. Got the wrong one too. Got the one that's doesn't have the pressure sensor. Okay, and I just disconnected that. I need the other one. The other one has got my gauge. This is the other one. This has got a gauge on it. Oh, it's empty. Like I said, this one's got a gauge. Got a gauge on it. I used to have R12, and that wound up being, they got rid of that. I think they may still use it in refrigeration, but everything vehicle has gone to R134 because it is environmentally friendly. Now, let's try this again. want you to do, put a max pull, and while charging, rotate the can between 12 o'clock and 3 o'clock, 2 to 3 seconds while continually shaking it back and forth. This practicing until your correct amount of refrigerant discharge your AC system. Okay, go again. The spread started. Okay, let's get it back on there. Okay, now you can see my gauge. It does say it's in the blue, so it's filled, but it's still not cold enough. The minute I press this, it'll take it down into the green. I'm going to shake it around. Like I said, back and forth from 12 o'clock to 3 o'clock. And that's up into your, almost up into the yellow now. Right on the alert. Okay, that pretty much emptied my can in a hurry. Alright. Compressor is running continuously now. It'll only shut off when it doesn't need to be. Okay, now I'm going to pop that. There we go. The can's almost empty. Did a good job. We'll put that back on there for now. Nope, wrong side. Go over here. Alright, put that one back on there. And that's all you got to do. Now she's going to let me know if it feels any better. Any better? Any better?
Pretty much the same. It's cool over here.
Well, yeah.
Only out of one.
Well, I'm thinking when he put the dash back together, he didn't connect all the connectors. You got the rear going too?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Okay, well, the compressor is running continuously, which is good. Now, the first two cans, like I said, we put in leak check, and I'll have to get the UV kit and go through the lines and see if we got a leak, but I think we're in good shape. So let me know. Alright. What are you doing? Where are you going? You going too?
No, I'm hang out with you.
You going for a ride?
No.
No? You taking one? No?
We want you.
Go
Can't tell?
Okay, let me know. Back
Unless
up.
it needs more AC, and then we might not be.
Alright, let me know.
Have to redo it.
Redo it. Okay. Go, go, go. Alright. Alright, let me clean up my mess here. That was easy. Easy chill. And this is the adapter that you need when you're doing that. So it's $2 extra. Alright, thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment and definitely subscribe. Oh, don't forget to share. Catch me on the next Project Explorer. Easy Chill also comes in it's already set, and it's got the UV dye, which I need that. Also stop leak, and what it basically does is renews the Here's the O-rings and stuff like that. So they already make it, and that's why it's that psychedelic yellow.